What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Boada. This day is gonna be crazy. It's my first time out here at GridLife. We're gonna be drifting. We're here in the Valvoline tent. Man, this is literally the best oil company there is. 150 years in the game. We're about to find out what the Corvette could do. Stay tuned. Let's ride. It's hard to believe that I'm here, honestly. It's hard to believe that I'm here with the Team Valvoline. Like, I'm tripping out right now only because the adrenaline is rushing right now. Dude, I spun out and a car came this close to me, so what an experience. This is only the first day, and I'm glad that it's a little bit wet because I can gain a little bit of experience in the wet. I'm starting to use left foot brake so I can extend the drifting a little longer, slow it down a bit in turns. What an experience, man. I'm super glad that I get to experience this with you guys also. So hope you guys are enjoying the videos and come along for the ride. Alright, so we had a little mishap happen where our starter is getting stuck. I don't want to go out there, and I already spun out and it turned off one time. I'm not trying to do that again and then not be able to start the car. So we found the starter. We're going to take it over to my boy's shop, swap it out real quick. Do an oil change while we're at it because it's getting a little hot. So we're going to keep it going. Let's hit it, baby. Here we are using Valvoline VR1, mid-track, did an oil change, went with a little heavier viscosity, and we're ready to rip now. Let's hit it. We're ready, bro. Let's go. I don't know how we fixed the car on time, but we're gonna go. I don't know. We're gonna rock. We don't know. Yo, I can't even believe that we got this car ready on time. Yo, video's up to here. I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. Shit is crazy. I'm literally living a dream out here. I can't even believe I'm doing like Scandinavian flick, going crazy, just staying on the limiter throughout the entire turn. Even linking these turns to me is surreal. So I was just driving this track on the simulator, and now to drive it in real life, I'm like, man, thank you guys also for watching this video all the way up to here. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. So much more is coming. Let's hit it. Like always, love you guys. Peace.